Hey you! Yes you! Are you tired of paying full price for money transfers? Well, what if I told you there's a way to keep more cash in your pocket? Stick around and I'll spill the beans on how to save big with Western Union promo codes. And don't forget to click the link in the description below to snag your discount. Let's dive in. Okay, so Western Union is like the superhero of money transfers. Fast, reliable, and available everywhere. But even superheroes need a sidekick, and that's where promo codes come in. These little gems can make a huge difference in how much you spend. First off, let's talk about where to find these magical codes. Websites like RetailMeNot, Coupons.com, and even Western Union's own site are treasure troves for deals. Just a quick search and boom, you're in discount heaven. Now here's the fun part, actually using the code. During the payment process, you'll see a box that says promo code or coupon code. Just type it in and watch the magic happen. It's like finding money under your couch cushions, but way better. All right, let's get into some real numbers. Imagine you're sending $500 to Aunt Karen in Florida. Normally, the fee might be around $30, but with a promo code, that fee could drop down to $10 or even zero. That's a savings of up to 100%. More money for Aunt Karen's bingo nights. And hey, who doesn't love a good deal? These promo codes aren't just for the big spenders. Whether you're sending $50 or $5,000, there's a promo code out there with your name on it. It's like having a secret weapon in your wallet. But wait, there's more. Some promo codes even offer perks like faster delivery times or bonus points that you can use for future transfers. It's like leveling up in a video game, but with real-world benefits. So what are you waiting for? Don't let those hefty fees get you down. Click the link in the description below and start saving with Western Union promo codes today. Your wallet will thank you, and so will Aunt Karen. Happy saving, everyone. And there you have it, folks. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more money-saving tips. See you next time.